On Ethereum weekly time frame, as expected, price rejected our low support in green and traded higher. So we are overall bullish. As you can see, price is making higher highs and higher lows. And we can see that the buyers are clearly in full control as price is making big impulse movements and small corrective, big impulse. And this impulse is even stronger than the previous one, which means that the buyers are more and more aggressive and in full control. As you can see, big momentum candles pushing to the upside and very shy and small red candles. So as from a market structure perspective, 101, we are overall bullish and we don't see any signs of weakness yet. The buyers are still in full control. So another corrective from here, we don't know just yet. Another corrective would be expected, and another and one more impulse. For now, we are still on, as mentioned, in a bullish trend. However, price is approaching this rejection area, which is around number 800, and we do have a supply around here as price made an aggressive movement down from it, and around here as well. This one is a drop, base, and drop, and it got filled after this test, and here we go. So this one got filled, then price after, as mentioned, this one. So we could look for sell setups around here on the retest of this supply zone, and price created a new supply zone around here. I know this one is a little bit old, but we will not use it as a standalone strategy. It will just act as extra confluence. So as mentioned, we are overall bullish, and as price approaches this area, we'll be watching this one closely to look for signs of weaknesses. As for now, this one is overall bullish, but we'll watch for signs of weakness and look for sell setups unless price breaks it upward aggressively with many big bullish candles. Then this one would turn into a support and a movement to the 1200 would be expected. In this case, we'll be looking for buy setups around here, and then as price approaches this one, we'll be looking for sell setups. But for now, let's follow this one step by step. As price approaches this one, we will be looking for sell setups. If we zoom into daily time frame, we can see that it's clearly bullish. As mentioned from weekly, the price is making higher highs and higher lows, big impulse movements, small corrective, big impulse movements, and so on. So since price is overall bullish, for those asking me, it's not a good idea to buy now, as price wouldn't be fair for many traders, and it is expensive. You will have a bad risk to reward ratio. Always wait for a trend following setup to fall on the retest. And in case you are wondering where should I start to look for trend following buy setups, I would say the best opportunities would fall around this area. Why? Because first of all, we do have this a trend line which acts as a non-horizontal support. That's our first clue. Our second one is the previous high. As you can see, price break the previous high, almost tested, and trade higher. So that's a one-on-one pattern also that repeats itself, but it isn't a standalone strategy. As I always say, we always gather clues, and the more the clues we have, the better the setup would be. So we have this previous high, we have this trend line, and of course, as you can see, the round number 500, which is a very, very strong one, even stronger than the 800. So we've got the 100, 500, and the 1K, which is a little bit above here, are the strongest round numbers for Ethereum for now. So long story short, we'll be looking for buy setups on the retest of this zone, not the exact trend line. As price approaches around here, we will be looking around this area for buy setups. Of course, we'll zoom into our time frames and look for our a trigger as per our rules? Well, it depends. And it depends on your strategy. Me and my students have exact rules that we follow, and we have like 4 or 5 rules. When 3 of them are met, we will be looking for our trigger, and then and only then we will be interested in buying Ethereum in this case. So we're looking for buy on retest. For now, we are not interested in buying or selling. We will just wait as price is sitting in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. And as price approaches this area, which is as mentioned a strong supply and 800, we will be looking for sell setups unless price breaks it upward aggressively, and then we will be looking for trend following buy setups. So long story short, sell and buy. For now, we will do nothing. If you zoom into H4 time frame, we can see that here we go. Here's our trend line from daily time frame. From a medium term perspective, this one is trading inside this channel. It's just an idea, it's not valid yet. It's just an idea to show the last impulse movement from daily time frame. That's how aggressive the impulse movement was. And here we go. We are overall bullish, and price can still trade higher and higher to reach the blue zone before going down. In this case, we'll be waiting for a new swing to form around our lower. Let me fix it. I like it to be. Here we go. We'll be waiting for a new swing to form around our lower red trend line to consider it valid, and then and only then we'll enter sell on its break downward. And when the sell is activated, our stop loss would be just above the last swing from the other side, and we target a 2 to 1 to reward ratio. As you can see, price would reach 1 hour before reaching the brown trend line. In this case, we'll move our stop loss to break even. And if a buy setup is formed around here, we'll close our sell around 1 hour and buy this one as per daily time frame analysis. And we target a 2 to 1 risk to reward. And in case price breaks the brown trend line downward, then it will hit our take profit. So we'll be looking closely around here if we'll close and buy, or if we'll keep holding our sell from H4 time frame. That's it for Ethereum. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and follow for me to keep going, and best of luck.